I'm Angela, OMbassador for Organic Mixology in New Mexico. On this episode of Drink With Us, I'm making a cocktail called the Vixen. I'm going to start with a half of an ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice, 3/4 of an ounce of Raspberry Cocktail Elixir, 1.5 ounces of gin, and 3/4 of an ounce of OM's Meyer lemon and ginger liqueur. I'm going to add ice to my cocktail shaker and give this a good shake. I'm going to go ahead and strain my cocktail into this coupe. And there you go. Cheers. Happy holidays. Thanks for drinking with us.